How to cash out on Coinbase. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Vasnant, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily cash out on Coinbase. Now the process itself is relatively easy and simple, so let me guide you through. In order to cash out on Coinbase, what you can do is first you want to open up your Coinbase and you want to log into your account. You want to sign up or sign into the wallet. Now on the home page you'll get various options at the bottom of your screen, and there you'll see the option that says assets. You want to head into the option that says assets in the navigation bar, then select next to your local currency, and then you want to choose the cash out option. You want to enter the amount of currency you want to cash out, select your bank account, and then choose continue. Once you select continue, then you want to choose the option that says cash out now, and you'll be able to cash out. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you right here because I'm unable to sign up due to the recent issue. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.